Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Messenger and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and